Ready to go. Oh my gosh, you're gonna hurt yourself. It's a longboard wheel. It should go faster, but those are strip bearings. What's up, Hungyo's? Andy Vlogs doing another vlog here. We're out and about, social distancing, and I pulled up the old longboard. It needs some grip tape, but nevertheless, it should be sufficient for us to go out. The boys are gonna be on their bike, and we're gonna do some video. My GoPro's dead, so this is on my camera. All right, you guys ready?
Kinda.
Doty, what are you riding? That one? Great, I like your bike.
Made it myself.
Stay on the sidewalks. Use your brakes.
Whoa, Dad, the legendary Helmito. I don't need this.
Oh yeah. Your head's gonna be too small.
Let me see your face.
Yes, I can wear sunglasses. Woo! Ready?
Get
What?
I have a question. Which way are we going?
Wherever Nick wants to go. But you know what you're telling. Slow down. Give us on your head. Let go first. What you telling? Oh, ready. Get my way. Let go. One up, the same one. I'm gonna go there. The pool? I can go to the pool. We just rode from our neighborhood to the park. You're taking a break, boys. We're about to go through Chicken Coop Passage from the park. Chicken's Coop Passage. Well, you said there's a coop. There's no chickens in the coop. So why is the Chicken's Passage? On the way back, we will sort of do it now. This is Passage. Okay, let's go. Let's stay on the right side of the map. Oh my goodness, look at all them. Ant hill. Ant colony. Wow, look at all those. Hey, leave them be.
Get on! It's on. It's on me! It's on me. That is on me. I was gonna say two are on me.
Hey, don't kill them. Come on, stop.
I killed
Leave them
three.
be.
I killed 3 or 4.
Are you ready to resume?
Yeah?
Okay.
Quack. Over there.
Oh, scary.
And once I went down on my scooter.
Wow.
Yeah, me too.
Careful. Okay, Theodore, let's go.
I was supposed to go this way?
This way.
No, this way.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah.
We're at the last stretch to get to the school. I need to help Nick fix his bike. His handlebars are messed up. You can hear him screaming. You ready?
You can see the wheel, but this is the wheel.
Hold this. Point it at me. Hold this. You guys know? Make sure and hydrate.
10 minutes ahead. What time is it?
I don't know. Let's go. Once again, it didn't record. God darn it. I need to make sure and hit record. I got some good footage, but apparently I didn't. This next bit, we're gonna get to the crosswalk of the school and then head back home, and that'll do it. We're not allowed to go to school. It's blocked off. All right, that's it. We made it to our destination. Good job, boys. Buddy, how was it?
How we need it.
You want some water?
Not even tired.
That's easy. Easy. Super easy. Tell them how did it go? Easy?
Back there, I choked on some water. Then you guys left me, so it was good.
Practice braking. It's all downhill from here. You pull your pedals back. Brake. Like that. You push back. You see that? For the boys, it's your handles.
Yeah, I know. Side.
You need to be on this side of the road and go slow, okay? All right? Let's do this. Here we go. One take. Here we go. Okay, last stretch of our trip. Hopefully it's recording. I'm pretty sure it is. This is all gonna be downhill. Theo, you're on your own until we get to the crosswalk. Just follow this trail. What? All right, Pungos, that's about that. We went to the school and back, which was really fun, and now we're home. Thanks so much for following, watching, and enjoying this content during social distancing.